It's Tiffini Sheree here doing an express tutorial on the Goddess locks. I am actually getting ready to show you a quick way that I get these locks done. I section the hair off and I do freelance parts. I do use rubber band. I take the hair, I take a crochet needle, and I am going to go ahead and install the hair, and I'm going to try to be as neat as possible. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to prepare to wrap the hair around, and I'm going to use a little tension because I do not want my locks to unravel. To hold it together, I do use nail glue at the end. It prevents unraveling. And I continue on all throughout the whole section. And then sometimes I also take hair and I pre-crochet it. This helps me to get down faster. If I know that the hair is already there, all I do is just go ahead section by section and wrap the hair using tension to be neat as possible. Almost done. Now that I'm preparing to almost be finished, I'm going to get ready to show you the things that I use. I use foam wrap lotion to set the hair, and I've set it in place. I take jewelry. It's your discretion on how you want to design. Use your creativity and be creative. Well, there you have it. This is the Goddess Express Locks by Tiffini Sheree. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please click subscribe, like, share. If you are trying to book an appointment, visit me at www.IamTiffiniSheree.com. Thanks for watching.